support, okay? As you can see, the support is here and it is bolted. It is bolted. You can see there's a steel plate in the bolt, okay? So it is bolted structure now, well, it's better for you, okay? In the future here, we have increased to 1, 2, 3, 3 hinges, okay, in the future. And internally, you can see here, the door and all the door of the rooms are going to be these, which is a different color, and it is a different frame and honeycomb inside. So it feels it feels better. You can hear the sound. Okay, it is very solid. And you can see the force here. Basically, over the roof, there's no seal here, it's flat, okay? Flat. Now regarding the internal, because the internal you can see this is the PVC decoration sheet we discussed it, okay? And here is the also PVC, we can also color it like the black one we see just now, okay? So now you see this keyboard is flat